I think every expert out there will tell you to diversify. If you've got some money invested, if you've got if you've got something working for you, that's great. But if you also have time, a lot of people complain they don't have any time. And I'll tell you an interesting story that I love, and it's the one where you get called into your boss's office and they tell you, listen, I got good news and bad news for you. All right, well, give it to me straight. So, well, here's the bad news. You're being laid off. The good news is you got the rest of the day off. The afternoon is yours. And then you look at that and you say, oh, this is absolutely terrible. What am I going to do? Is there any way I could fix that? What's happening? And the boss looks at you and says, well, let me put it to you this way. There's one thing you could do. Give us an hour a day, 5 hours a week for the next 2 years, and then you'll be able to retire at full pay. Would you take it? We're not going to pay you for that extra hour a day, but would you take it? I'm thinking 95% of the people out there would say, yes, I'll take it. And then you do it and it happens. Well, that's what a side business is. You get out there and you put in an extra hour a day, an extra 2 hours a day for a couple of years. And the next thing you know, you can wake up and it's like, holy moly, I've actually built something with a low entry point and I might have enough income to replace my full-time deal.